Okay, I want to do a quick review on this NuGo. I'm going to eat it, but this is actually vegan and gluten-free. I'm not sure how it'll be, but it's a protein bar. Got it from Costco, 12 grams of protein. Gonna try it. Here's what it looks like. It's just like a chocolate fruit. I would recommend this. I'm still eating it. It's basically almost gone. I don't know if you can see this. It's not very crumbly, which is always good when you're on the go, especially if you're driving, because you don't want crumbles and dark chocolate all squished to your seat. I think that it tastes a little bit like a rice cake. It's light and it's not too heavy. I am drinking quite a bit of water with it, but generally with protein bars and with meals, it's a good idea to stay hydrated. And I think so far I would recommend it, but I'm going to analyze the ingredients and the nutrition. Gotta stay hydrated. Alright, cancel that. I'm reading the nutrition facts, and what caught me is the 14 grams of added sugar. Now that is, I ripped the package, but 28%. That's really high and not really worth it. So I changed my mind. I wouldn't recommend eating this every single day. I think it's just better than eating out if you're having an emergency, and if you're on the go like I am, then I would recommend it again once in a while, not a daily thing. And this was the NuGo dark chocolate chip. At least it's vegan, gluten-free, right? So I'm wrapping up the video. I got caught up in work earlier and I'm still working. It's almost 11, so that's never fun, but gotta get it done. And I had a chance to take a closer look at the NuGo protein bars nutrition facts and ingredients. Here it is again. So that is dark chocolate. It was really good, and I think I would only recommend it in case of emergency. I think I said that earlier. Besides the sugar, the total sugar was 14 grams. That's 28% of the bar. And it makes sense since I did have a chance to go through the ingredients, and there is a lot of cane sugar in here. There's, yeah, I can see where the sugar is coming from. We don't need to go through all that. But the sodium also was just a little higher than I prefer per serving. It's 6%, and the saturated fat for me, I also thought that was pretty high. It's 20%. Generally, I feel like that might be pretty high if you're prone to cardiovascular complications, and in general, you don't want to have too high of a saturated fat diet, especially because that clogs arteries and causes the buildup. So there you have it. That is the review of this bar. Let's turn it around. And again, I appreciate the fact that it's vegan and gluten-free, but maybe it would even be counted as a treat because this isn't necessarily healthy at all whatsoever. So eat at your discretion.